Channel. I'm Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection, and today we are getting into Molton Brown's Discovery Kit. All right, some of the most beautiful bottles on the market, but you know we got to test out the scent before we get to the glass. All right, and we are looking at dark leather. It's kind of cool. They're all on the back. So let's go ahead and that one just effortlessly came out. There was no need for aggression. It was ready. All right. So we have leather, aromatic, lavender, fresh spice, animalic, smoky, balsamic, conifer. And that is what I'm smelling. Man, that is sheesh. All right. That is certainly a direction. That is certainly a place to go with it. In the top notes, you have Elemi. In the middle, you have lavender and geranium. And in the base, you have leather. This smells like your grandfather's old leather jacket that you found in the attic that he hasn't worn since 1962, and he was a bit of a playboy when he was wearing it. That's what this is. It's certainly a smell. I'm trying to put this one together. I'm sure it needs time to develop because it is getting, it is evolving like right in front of me. Let me tell you, these Molton Brown fragrances, they come at you from the weirdest angles. Like, I mean, it's not a bad thing. It's just like when you spray them, they're almost all, well, mint lavender wasn't, but like they're almost all like offensive in some way. Like they come at you, you know, and you have to be ready for it. You have to be on guard because if not, you're gonna be knocked back. Okay. I feel like this one is definitely changing up a little bit. It smells salty. It smells salty, and I guess that's why it's like a vintage old leather jacket. Like, I'm sure there's a market for this for someone. I just personally, and I'm I might need more time with this, but I'm usually the guy that's like, oh, it smells offensive. Let me have a bottle. It's offensive, but it's not necessarily appealing. And I think that's what I'm struggling with. But it's not bad. But yeah, you definitely have to get your nose on this. I'm having a tough time even describing this. It's, it smells like an environment. It smells like a shop. It's very unique. It's very unique, and it's a quality fragrance for sure. How this could be feminine, I have no idea. It's definitely like 100% masculine to me, but perhaps I need to get a different nose on this. But that's it. That's my review. That's my opinion. Dark leather. I think that's a great name. Whoever named these things, they did a pretty good job. Dark leather. That's what this is. It is definitely a dark leather. I mean, yeah, that's what I would call it. It's dark leather. Like, I feel like Batman would have this. Like, he would be like, Alfred, get the dark leather. You know what I'm saying? Like, Bruce wouldn't wear this, but Batman, when he's about to go see Poison Ivy, Alfred. That's what this would be. But yeah, I'm liking it a little bit more I'm liking a little bit more. But I mean, I might have to come back to this one, man. This is totally, this is outside. This is like Nisane experimental line. Like that's where this is at. It's fully in that direction. So I might need more time with this, but that's the review. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried dark leather? Has Alfred gotten you your dark leather? Let me know. I appreciate you guys for watching. Subscribe, stay connected, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.